I have a thorough review of the Akrapovic exhaust system on the Multistrada V4 with proper dyno and everything you need to know, and I'll link that at the end of this video. Today's video is for those who only want to hear the savage sound the Akrapovic system provides with no talking. That said, let's do work. The Akrapovic race exhaust with included upmap adds power, torque, and wicked sound waves to an already stellar motorcycle. Made of stainless steel and equipped with a high-grade titanium alloy muffler, it's lighter, and with a handmade carbon fiber end cap and honeycomb mesh on the outlets, it has a truly unmistakable racing look and character to match. Priced at $3,200 US, it's a substantial investment, but worth every penny.